Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find more connectivity options. Then scroll down and enter Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth, so the option we're looking for, and tap on Reset Settings. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock, and here your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because it first of all might take several seconds, and secondly you won't be able to undo this action. So just tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.